Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we're back doing Magic at Your Door. Want to see which box it is? It's the big one! Magic at Your Door Gold subscription. And we're going to be doing a giveaway after this unboxing. Let me show you what the giveaway is going to be. So, Shop Disney. How I love the... I don't love it at all. So we have been trying to get all of the Minnie Mouse Main Street attraction merch, and last month we got just the mug, even though we signed up for everything. This month we got the ears, which are cool, except we don't collect ears. So instead of selling them online, we're just gonna give them away. We have to celebrate. It's we always celebrate kind of arbitrary numbers. We're celebrating 1,523 subscribers. So we'll be giving this away after we unbox this, and that's all coming up right now. Alright, let's get diving into this thing. So this is technically August's gold box. We've been a little bit behind. We've had so many boxes recently. So we're a little late on this one. It's been here for a while. Ready? Alright, I'm gonna, let's see here. So first things first, their monthly newsletter with all of the color coding so that you can figure out what your value in your box is. So if it doesn't have a price tag, it's probably one of these colors, or there's also things listed here such as ears and socks and all that kind of stuff. So you can figure out what you're doing. This shows the August fantasy pin. Magic at Your Door does a fantasy pin every month this year, and August's came too late to make it into the boxes, so they just showed you a picture of what it looks like, and then they will send it probably in your next box. It happens. With all the stuff that's been happening with COVID, I'm surprised this is the first one that I've gotten late. I live all the way out in Nevada, so some other people have gotten other ones late, but it just comes down to shipping. So, yeah. So, let's take a look at what we have in here. We've got a lot of confetti. Purple, blue, silver, and white. Ready? I see a blue box. A lot of confetti in here. Alright, I'm gonna set this on the floor so it stops casting a shadow. Okay. First things first. Whoa. This is cool. So we've gotten one of these books before, but the other one that we received was Walt. This one is the true original. It looks like they're all Mickey postcards. It comes in what looks like, well, hang on, let me show you. Alright, so it looks like a book. It looks like a book binding. When you look at the edge of it, you can see, it even has that little cloth down there in the binding, and it really does look like a book. So it can sit up on a shelf, but on the inside, its magnets kind of shut. There are postcards in here. And when we got the Walt one, so it's not only postcards, but they're actually, I think they're more like regular cards that open. Yeah, they are. So they open up. So they come with all the envelopes, and then they come with this Walt Disney Archives collection, the little stickers to seal the back of the envelopes, which is pretty cool. But what we did with all of them from Walt is we cut the face off of the cards and we framed all of them. So now that I have all these Mickey ones, I can guarantee you're going to start seeing these floating in behind me, because we like to change them out all the time. Sometimes we switch out purses and take some pictures out, put some new pictures in. Yeah, so these are already looking cool. So it looks like there's 2 of each style card, which is cool because, like last time, we only had to cut half of them so that we could actually save the other half. So the first one is Mickey. I'll throw a picture in the photo box. Boop. That is a really good pose. Then the second one that's the same. Then there's this Mickey. I will, boop. I just love these. And it's cool because most of the other ones of Walt were black and white. So this will add some more color back there. This one's awesome. Let me throw it up there for you to, boop. So these are character sketches. Very cool. I like this. Sometimes, you know how you can, when you're in Disney, you can pay an artist to do Disney sketches for you and they frame them and all that stuff. Whenever I get Mickey ones, I ask them to do it like a sketch, like it's from a cell, so they do like the little numbers on the side and all that kind of things. So I like that design. That's really cool. So 2 of those. Mickey Mouse playing the guitar here today. Let me, boop. Walt Disney's Mickey Mouse the Band Concert. Boop. I love all these. There he is. Steamboat Willie. Boop. CJ's gonna have a lot of editing to do on this video. Very nice. Check that one out. Boop. Sorcerer Mickey. Boop. It's a boop-filled video today. Oh, that one's another sketch style. I like that one too. Boop. Scared his ears off. And then the rest of this in here is all of the envelopes. That's awesome. So you will begin to see those behind me. And there's a little story in here so you can kind of explains what's going on with it. That's awesome. So that was 25 bucks. Very nice. This is the gold pouch for the gold box, so we will wait on that. Disney Tales Chew Toy. My Rottweiler is going to destroy this. We have 3 dogs. We have a Yorkie that's like 5 pounds. We have a Dachshund that's, she won't let me talk about her weight because she's embarrassed. And we have a Rottweiler who's like 110. This will get tore up. But at least they're going to have some style for a little bit. So it's Mickey Mouse Club, ears, and it's just a plush, but it's actually 4 dogs to be a chew toy. I'll throw that in the photo box so you can check it out. Boop. All right. I don't know if there's a price tag on that or not. Yep, $17.99. All right, and now we've got a big blue box. Ready to see? That all went right behind my back, didn't it? Ready to see what this is? Alright, so this is from Inesco. It is Beauty and the Beast Snow Globe. And it is really pretty. I really like the base of it. It's kind of quilted. And can't go wrong with Beauty and the Beast. Let me throw a better picture in the photo box so you can check that out. Boop. Wow. That is really cool. That's only our 2nd snow globe, I believe. But I like the fact that it's a snow globe, but it's not Christmas, really, so it can be out on display whenever. I like that. Awesome. Thank you, Mike. And 001. I didn't forget this time. Usually I do. Couple things in there, it seems. Let's find out. I don't know why I didn't snap that open. That was a lot of crinkling paper. Sorry. Alright, so we've got... What do we have? So it's a necklace. It says Vacation Mode on one part of the necklace, and then it has Mickey ears on the other part. It is $19.99 from the Disney parks. It's silver. Mary likes silver much better than gold. So she is going to love that. She's not here right now, but when she gets home, she'll love it then. Throw it in the photo box for you. Boop. And then... Oop, there's a couple things in there. Oh, Mary's gonna love this. Winnie the Pooh and Tigger 2. Let me throw a better picture. Boop. So this is silver. Silver is $9.99, and any pin that is Pooh related that Mary doesn't have yet, she's thrilled to have. And finally, there's a lot of stuff in this one. I think that's it. Yeah. A keychain, which is awesome because I just broke one. Sometimes this one looks a little better, but sometimes Disney's, where it connects the big ring to the actual keychain, that's kind of their weak point. This one's actually leather, so that's really cool. So this is teal. Teal is $12.99. And it says, "There be squalls ahead. Pirates of the Caribbean." I really like this one. So it's got the easy clippy on it. That's not so easy. There it is. It was stuck. It's got the clip on it, and then it's like a leather back with the metal face on it. And on the back it says Pirates of the Caribbean. I will put that in the photo box. Boop. Very nice. This will work perfect to replace my broken one. Which, I mean, it's just that little ring. I'm sure I could just put another ring on it. So I didn't toss it or anything, but it's out of commission at this point. All right, so that's the box. I will total everything up. So this cost us $124.99, free shipping, and I believe this might be the last box that we get that has free shipping, and I still don't know how much the shipping is going to be. I believe it sounds like it's geographically based, so it depends on how far you are from them. But I don't know. Don't take that for, for sure, because it's what I hear. I don't know. All right, so total of the box cost us $124.99. Total's right there. Not too shabby. Love this box every time. Have yet to ever be disappointed in Magic at Your Door's box. Alright, so if you haven't checked out their wish list, you should be checking it out at least monthly, if not more. I will sprinkle that down here so you can see what August looks like. It changes quite a bit, and there's a lot of good stuff in there. Here it comes. Did you see that one? Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's good there too. We're almost done with it. Still going though. They got a lot of stuff in here. And there it is. Okay, moving on. Ready? So, these are Minnie Mouse main attraction Dumbo ears. They were, I don't remember what they cost. Same as all the other ears, I'm pretty sure, like $29.99 or whatever they are. So, 1,523 subscribers, yay! And we're gonna give this away. So the way to get these, if you would like to, please be subscribed to our channel. Please like this video, and throw a comment down below, something arbitrary. My phone just rang. What's your favorite attraction? Easy enough. So in the comments down below, post your favorite attraction. Doesn't matter if it's Disneyland, Disney World, Disney Paris, wherever you want. Favorite attraction. And down in the description down below, you will find a Google form. We do this every time, so it's an easy, safe way for us to get your email address. So basically all we're going to do is we're going to use that list against the comments and all that stuff, and that is a way for me to reach out to you and let you know that you won. We don't use it for anything else. You won't get an email from us unless you won. That's it. So down in the description, Google form, do that. If you're not a subscriber to Magic at Your Door, feel free to use our code to save yourself some money, and there's a link to that down below as well that will save you $10, I think. And if you're not a member of Magic at Your Door's Facebook group, there's like 5,300 members now. There's a link down below for that as well. Get in on this. Might as well, right? Alright, if you'd like to see our last video, click the button right here. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the button right here, especially if you want to win this. I hope you're having a great day.